Have you heard of project management life cycles?
Yes, it's the process of managing a project from start to finish. There are 5 phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closing. Each phase is critical to project success.
What exactly is a project phase?
It's a stage in the project management life cycle. Each phase has specific deliverables and goals that must be achieved before moving on to the next phase.
Interesting. What are the types of project life cycles?
There are 2 types, predictive and adaptive. Predictive is a traditional, linear approach, while adaptive is more flexible and iterative. It's best to choose the type of life cycle that fits your project requirements.
I've also heard of BIM life cycle management. What is it?
BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. BIM lifecycle management is a collaborative approach that uses digital models to manage the entire lifecycle of a building project, from design to construction to operations and maintenance. It's a game changer for the construction industry.
Wow, that's impressive. What about the project life cycle curve?
It's a graph that shows the project's progress over time. It starts slow during the initiation and planning phases, then ramps up during execution, and slows down again during monitoring and control before ending with the closing phase. It's important to understand the curve to manage resources and schedule effectively.
Lastly, what is the Six Sigma project life cycle?
It's a methodology for process improvement that follows 5 phases: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. It's a data-driven approach that helps organizations reduce defects and improve quality. It's a popular framework for project management.
I see. Why is project life cycle important?
It helps us manage projects effectively, reduce risks, and improve project outcomes. It ensures that we meet project goals, deliver on time and within budget, and exceed stakeholder expectations. Project life cycle is critical to project success.
Thanks for sharing all these valuable insights. Let's use them to manage our projects like pros.
Definitely. Let's make project management fun and successful.